bloggers will always be bloggers, carrying news up and down. But whatever you don't hear from me, whatever you don't hear from my family, my sisters, you all know my sisters, you know me, you know my mom, yes, whatever you don't hear from them and you're seeing it online, just consider it untrue. Do you understand? It's not true. If it didn't come from me, it didn't come from my sisters, just know it's not true. That's the only thing I have to say. If it's for me to come and start setting this right, no, please, I don't even want to be bothered with all that.
My country people, Sonia Uche don't finally come address the general public about wetin all the bloggers where they carry fake news about her and families they do. She come out dey warn bloggers say make una stop to dey carry fake news about her and her family. Dey tell us her fans say anything will not come directly from her or her family, that we should just see it as fake news. For Sonia Uche to come out talk this thing, that means this thing don't dey pain her. The thing don't dey eat something from her body. Some bloggers too do. Why be say some bloggers, if they not carry fake news like this, their body no they be like, wetin dey happen? Make una leave this family alone now. Make una leave Sonia Uche and her family alone. Some even they tag her say she no be biological daughter of Uche Nancy. Say she be adopted daughter. I can't wonder. I say some people too do, guy. I better not be this thing carry me come talk today. Our queen don't drop movie, a new movie. She hasn't dropped the title yet. She just make an advertisement. Say I bet make we rush to her YouTube channel, Sonia Uche's TV, that should be dropping a movie. Make her play the video. Make we not hear from the horse's mouth.
Sonia Uche TV, 5 p.m. Sunday evening, 5 p.m. Nigerian time. That's 5 p.m. West Africa.
Say no to bestie.
We'll be feasting on Sonia Uche TV. Okay, so yeah, guys, make sure you're there and drag somebody, even if the person is not there. You should tell the person, like, watch with your phones, watch with anything, laptop, TV. Just make sure you're watching and trust me, you're going to have a good laugh. Yeah, a good one. You will laugh. All right, I promise you guys, going to try my best to keep up with the 2 weeks upload. Okay, yes. So Tony, thank you. I know I came really early today for this live video, because usually I'll do the live video by like 1, 2 or much later in the evening, but I decided to do this one earlier today because very soon Marin Monroe, thank you, welcome. So the thing is, I have to film today. We're all getting set, but let me face the business. Let me mind the business that is minding me.